Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can move a Canva design to folder. So here I'm going to just go to my recent designs, and here I'm going to select a project or a design to move. For example, I'm going to move this designs right here. So click on the three dots icon on the design itself here on the thumbnail and choose or select the move to folder option, and in here you can just select the folder. Click on the folder and click on the move to folder button again like this. Now it has been moved, and if you want to see it you can just click on projects. Now sorry, you need to go back and here click on the three dots icon at the top, click on projects, and here click on folder. So this is the folder, this is the project that I moved before. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.